What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is a new Google Home Mini is soon to come out. It'll be called the Nest Home Mini, and this is an exclusive from 9 to 5 Google. I'll link the story down below if you want to read the whole story, but you can see the headline. Google plans second generation Nest Mini, aka Google Home Mini, with built-in wall mount, which will allow you obviously to mount it to a wall easier. Better sound, so the speaker will be bigger and louder, and an aux jack, which is a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So if you want to hook that up to a bigger speaker, you can. Now, there's no news on price or release date, but I would assume come this holiday season, you should be able to see this and buy this. Next up, if you have the Samsung Galaxy Buds, which are the completely wireless buds that Samsung put out earlier this year, there is a new update out, and the update allows you to stabilize Bluetooth connection through added fixes. Now, it doesn't go into depth about what that fix actually does. To me, it probably just makes the Bluetooth connection between the headphones and the phone or whatever device you're listening to stronger, so there's less cutout. That still seems to be a little bit of an issue with true wireless earbuds, almost all of them at times. So it probably, again, just fixes that, which it has fixed it in the past, but again, it probably just further strengthens it. Next up, I did get my Galaxy Note 10 Plus 512 gigabyte black version, and if you want to see the video on that, I'll link that down below. I already released it this morning. This is just a PSA that the update has also come out for the locked version, and the locked update version is the same as ones we've talked about the last couple of days, which is the performance of fingerprint recognition, touchscreen has been improved, stability of camera picture quality, security of the device has been improved. Again, this update is out right this second. Right when I woke up this morning, I had the update, so it was right there. It should also be there for the other carrier versions as well. I know Verizon already has it. I would not be surprised, I haven't seen any news on it, but I would not be surprised if T-Mobile, Sprint, and AT&T also had the same update. So just go into settings and then go into software update and you should have it. If you're looking to buy the Galaxy Note 10 Plus or Note 10 and you have extra money, like you don't have to finance it if you don't want to, and you don't want to pay tax, I was looking up, Swappa is actually a great place to buy the phone in terms of that. You can get it brand new for low 900s right now for the 256 gigabyte version. And again, there's no tax on that. So you're gonna end up saving, what, 150, 200 bucks total after tax, because again, there's no tax on the Swappa price. So if you have a little bit of money saved, I would definitely recommend buying it through that. I use Swappa all the time with stuff, even when I sell my own devices. So it's a legit site, it's backed by PayPal and all that. So again, check it out, link down below. Other than that, guys, that is your news for today. I know a bunch of you guys sent me videos and photos. I'm still working on the video thing of it on a separate video, but photos, I'll post a couple as I'm talking right now. It's just, I've been bombarded with having to personally feel like I need to create a lot of Galaxy Note 10 content before it gets old. So I'm going through, unboxings and walkthroughs and all kinds of stuff that you might not be thinking of, just because I want to get that content out and have it be relevant still. So yeah, I'm doing all that. So that's why I didn't put everybody's photos that they sent me, but I appreciate everybody sending all that stuff over to me. Also, people's Galaxy Note 10s and Note 10 Pluses are still arriving to this day. Today's another big day for carriers and Samsung to be delivering it. Yesterday was a big day, and so was also today. So yeah, there you guys go. Let me know in the comments down below how you're enjoying your Note 10, Note 10 Plus. Also, let me know if you actually bought the Note 10 Plus, the regular Note 10. I never hear anybody in my videos talk about that they actually bought it. See you guys down the road. Peace!